Share a scoop with Creamery Novelties Ice Cream.
Hey Mom and Dad, I made it on Cup of Joe, finally. All right. This is an Orange Sky song about the world today. Pa pa pa, pa pa pa, pa pa pa, pa pa pa. Every day I open up the paper and it blows my mind. Seems the world need a healing and everybody knows it's time that we try to understand each other better if we want to learn that it takes so many different kind of people to make up this world, and we should love each other. Yeah, we could love each other if we could love each other. Then we must love each other. All right, pa pa pa, pa pa pa. Pa pa pa, pa pa pa. My daddy always told me never argue about religion, neither politics or spirituality with people when they're drinking rum. 'Cause some people get so wicked and vicious with their opinion. Conversations have been ended in a murder by a blade or gun. When we should love each other.
I want to share a scoop with you.
Wow.
I did a little ice cream sundae courtesy the folks at Creamery. This
beautiful.
is Soursop ice cream from Creamery.
My goodness.
And you know what's the good thing about this, Nigel?
What's that? So many things.
This Creamery ice cream has no sugar. No added sugar.
Really?
So this ice cream, we could have another Sunday after this. We could have another one after
Glad you
this.
told me that.
We could indulge a bit. Did I get it right? So I thought Soursop ice cream, and then I thought a little nice tang with a little apple and cherry CHOW kind of thing.
Fantastic, brother.
Nigel,
Cheers, man.
Cheers. Cheers, my brother.
Bless it.
We're sharing a scoop with Nigel Rojas, courtesy Creamery Novelty.